Hi there. I want to take you through how to make a coffee matchmaker quiz. These quizzes work super well for personalizing the blends and roasts that you have to offer at your coffee brand. And it's also an amazing way to build an email list. The average coffee quiz converts to email subscribers at 36.7% and increases sales by anywhere from 2 to 10x, depending on what type of brand you're running. Let's take a look at how this looks in real life. This is Henry's House of Coffee. They are our neighbors here in San Francisco, and they've got a great coffee matchmaker quiz. I click the link in the header, and it opens the coffee matchmaker quiz. I click Get Started, and it asks me some questions about my coffee preferences. There are 5 questions on this one. We recommend 5 to 10 questions. At the end, there's an offer to join their email list. If I choose to do that, then I will get $5 off, and I'll also get fun tips and stories. You can customize this form, and this integrates with Klaviyo. I'm going to skip that and see my results here. And it's going to redirect me to some product collections on the Henry's House of Coffee site based on my quiz answers. I can shop from right here. So that's how it's set up. Now let's go and look at how you would build something like this using Interact Quiz Builder. I have my quiz set up here, but when you start, you can click Create New Quiz. You can go to Coffee and Tea, and then you can select any of our templates. The one that we would recommend here is what kind of coffee suits your personality. You just click Use this template, and it's going to load that right into your account here. Now from here, you can do things like customize the style, the questions, the results, and set up your email capture. I've got my quiz already set up the way I want it, so I'm going to run you through how that works. I'm going to go over to my coffee matchmaker quiz that I've set up and modified from that template, and you'll see how it looks when it's done. I changed the colors, I changed the cover image, I changed the button color and the font. And then within the questions, I swapped out some of the questions. We do have a question bank that I'll link in the comments here, so you can swap out questions that you want to include in your coffee quiz. These are correlated to the outcomes using simple correlations here. So connect the answer choices to the outcomes. Then I modified my results to add links to my roasts. You can also redirect the results to your product collections in Shopify, just like the Henry's House of Coffee quiz. Then I'll set up my lead generation and choose which fields I want to ask for, customize the form here, add your privacy consent, consult your legal team for that. And then I'll save and continue. Connect to Klaviyo, which is the most popular one for our coffee quizzes. That pops right in here. And then I can choose what I want to have happen for each of my quiz results. So I can personalize the outcomes here. I'm going to add them to a list and then update a custom field called coffee quiz result and have it update with their quiz results. I'm going to save that, and then I can apply to all results, and it's going to put that result title of each outcome as that custom field. So then I can go and make segments and flows based off of that. We have a full video on Klaviyo that I will link in the comments as well. That's all ready to go. Now I can publish my quiz and embed it on my site. It's going to give me a embed code that I can add to Shopify. I will copy that code and add it to Shopify. There's another video on how to actually do that embed. I'll link that in the comments as well. But let's take a look at what that looks like on my site. So this is my made up coffee brand called Cozy Coffee. And I have my coffee matchmaker quiz here. And I can answer the questions and go through the quiz. Here's my custom question that you saw that I made. So that's how you create a coffee matchmaker quiz with Interact. To get started, you can go to tryinteract.com, click start your free trial, and all of those coffee quiz templates will be available for you right within the platform, and you can get launched within a few hours.